Attention Florida homeowners, the My Safe Florida Home program is back and it can save you a ton of money on getting your house ready for hurricane season. Stay tuned to find out how. Hi, Kathy Palmer, Realtor in the Sarasota Manatee area here in Florida. And today I'm going to talk to you about the My Safe Florida Home program. Open today, July 1st, 2024, and it's still a two-step program. So first you need to apply to get your free wind mitigation report. Now there's only a limited amount of the free wind mitigation reports for this fiscal year, so make sure that you sign up for that as quickly as you can. And then once you get the report back, you can then apply for a grant. You'll use that inspection report as kind of a roadmap to how increase the hardiness of your home for hurricanes. That can include different things on the roof, such as how it's attached to the wall or to the deck. It can also be secondary water vapor barriers. And it also helps with window coverings, such as actual windows, garage doors, sliding doors, and those types of preparations as well. Doing these upgrades not only help protect you more during a storm, it can also decrease your insurance rates. So the properties that can be considered for this are going to be your full-time residence, and right now it has to be a single-family home. No investment properties are allowed, no condos, villas, townhouses, or any property styles like that. I think in the future they'll probably open it up to some other property styles, but for now, single-family residence that is your primary residence. There's different grant groups. The first grant group that can apply for this is between July 1st and July 15th, and that's for our low-income seniors that are at least 60 years old. From the 16th through the 30th, it's all low-income households. For grant group 3, we're looking at the moderate income homeowners that are 60 plus, and that'll go from July 31st to August 14th, and then the fourth group is from August 14th to August 30th, and that is a moderate income of all ages. As of August 31st, all homeowners can apply at that point if it is their single-family residence and it's their primary residence. I'm sure you're asking yourself, how much can I receive through this program? So it is a matching grant program. The homeowner does have to contribute. For every $1 that the homeowner contributes, the grant program will submit up to $2 of that grant for a maximum of $10,000. So you could basically get $15,000 worth of improvements to your home for $5,000 if you are eligible for the grant. The homeowner is able to do repairs in excess of $15,000, but this grant will still only contribute up to $10,000. And the great thing is it's not considered taxable income. Another great thing about the program is you can choose your licensed contractor to do the work on your home. If this program sounds like it could be interesting and helpful to you, go to mysafeflhome.com to look for the eligibility requirements and also the reimbursement process. If you've got any questions about the Sarasota Manatee real estate market right now, please feel free to contact me, and thanks for watching.